A rural Rockbridge County community lost its longtime family doctor about a decade ago.
But instead of forcing the people who live there to travel the interstate to get to the nearest big city, a couple moved in to fill the need. More than 10 years later, they're reaffirming their commitment to the community. The town of Glasgow, there's no stoplight, but there is a family practice, one of only a few in the county not run by a hospital.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Maury River Family Practice is home to two physicians, a husband and wife who moved here 12 years ago to be closer to family.
We noticed in the newspaper that this community was losing its family doctor. So we took that as a good sign that we were moving in the right direction.
Doctors Jane and Jay Sailors took over, their practice growing every year.
We're definitely in need of more room to meet the capacity of the patient volume that we're seeing these days.
The Sailors recently added 2 nurse practitioners. They're now working on an even bigger expansion, a new building that will allow them to double the number of exam rooms and accommodate more patients who may not have easy access out of town.
Lexington is 17 miles over a mountain in one direction, and I think there's one family doctor over in Big Island, but Lynchburg would be, the next step, or Roanoke down 81 would be the next step.
The goal is to provide personalized care in a patient's own community. It's the reason this team still makes house calls.
Access is a very important thing to us, and when people can't see a doctor, we want to know why, and we want to know if we can help, and sometimes that does mean house calls for the frail elderly who have difficulty getting in here.
2 doctors paving the road to access and good health for their patients.